All right, so currently right now, YouTube, I know you guys miss me. I miss you. So here I am making sure that I bring you guys content. And we are currently live inside the new podcast studio. And I intend to give you guys a tour of also my office, which is my comic book room up here with all of my Amazing Spider-Man collections, X-Men. I have some Batmans, but today I have been unboxing comic books, and I thought about it and I'm like, why am I unboxing these comic books and I'm not sharing this with, with everybody? So these are purchased off of eBay. So far I have unboxed two, which we're going to talk about, and then we're going to open up this last box, you and I together, and we're going to see what that is, which I'm pretty sure I think I know what it is, but maybe I'm wrong. So before I'll say that, I'll wait. So first I opened up a CGC 9.6 Web of Spider-Man number 36. This is the first appearance of Tombstone. And this is going to be great on the wall, slabbed on the wall. And I'm glad I have this in my collection. I actually like Tombstone as a character. I wish they did more with him in the Spider-Man video game. And I hope that they bring the character back again with his full power. I do like what they did with him. They did kind of modernize him and make him a husky, more kind of guy. But I do have to admit that the comic book adaptation of Tombstone is my favorite version of Tombstone. And then second, I opened up a CGC 5.5 off-white to white pages. The Spider-Man was white pages, 9.6 white pages. This is a CGC 5.5 off-white to white pages Batman number 244, which is the second appearance of Ra's al Ghul. And this is going to be great on my side of DC, on my side of my comic book wall where I have DC comic books. And Ra's al Ghul for me is, I love Batman's rogue gallery. So I'm not as big as a fan of Batman as I am Spider-Man. I'm more of a Joker fan than I am even Batman. But, of course, in order to love the Joker, you really have to love Batman, too. So I do love Batman. I do intend on having a nice collection in terms of Batman. I intend on getting Batman number 1. I will be getting the first appearance of the new Batgirl, I think that came out, Barbara Gordon's Batgirl. I'll be getting first appearance of Penguin, first appearance of Silver Age, Two-Face. I do have I think the first appearance of the Silver Age Riddler already in there. I do have the first appearance of Bane coming soon, and I already have some good keys already in terms of Batman. I have some Swamp Thing. If you guys want to know what my collection looks like, tell me if you want to see my Marvel or DC collection below. And I don't care if it's just one comment. Tell me if you want to see my Marvel, DC collection, or maybe I'll do, maybe I'll set up a questionnaire and I'll ask you guys what you want to see first. My Spider-Man collection, my overall Marvel collection, non-Spider-Man, or do you want to see my DC collection? I'm gonna ask you guys that much. So let's get into the unboxing. The last package that came, even though we could be getting more. So before I post this vid, I'm gonna wait because I'm pretty sure that there might be more books coming. This might not be the end of it. Oh, you know what? I'll post this. And we'll use the other books, more content. And for everybody that's wondering if I'm still doing political content, of course I am. Go to Rumble, type in my name, Montega, Montaga, or type in the Montega Podcast. All right. Let's see what we have here. Nice. I love the way I love the way this was just shipped out. Let's see what this is. Okay, this is, I believe this is the first appearance of Jason Todd, Batman. White pages. But it doesn't say it on the label. It's a 9.0, but it doesn't say it on the label. But this is supposed to be the first appearance of Jason Todd in this Batman number 370. I'm not sure if I'm correct, but that's definitely what it is supposed to be. But it doesn't say it, so it's kind of disheartening. But nevertheless, this is the first appearance of Jason Todd, and this is what came in the mail today. So I thought it was something else, but it's not. So we'll wait to see when that item comes. And I want to thank you guys for tuning in. And I'm sorry that the guys here, the big bosses here at YouTube, they're not favorable of my political content, but consequently, you guys out there, it doesn't change the fact that I am still here, and our platform on Rumble is very positive, and it's very, 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 very uniting. And I hope that you'll see me there, and you'll come to Rumble, type in my name, Montaga, Montaga, or the Montaga Podcast, and you subscribe to the channel. You start to look at the content, you like, you share, and I hope that you guys stay here and continue on with me, with my journey, and I can't wait to share more of my hobby with you guys. Thank you very much. Peace.